One of the most convenient features of the touchscreen display that's standard in many Acura models like this TLX is the ability to create shortcuts for the features that you use most. You can set shortcuts for places, phone, audio, and climate control. Let's set up a places shortcut. This is something you can do after you've stored some addresses in the onboard address book. On the touchscreen, you first select shortcuts and then select the Places tab. Now select Edit, and then we'll select Add. Here we can choose the location where we want to store the address. We'll choose the first slot. This brings up a list of places that have previously been set in the address book. We'll choose this one. And now it's set as a shortcut. Okay, so let's see when we can use the shortcut that we've just created. It's here, in the first slot. To select it, we just touch it and we set it as our destination for the navigation system.
Proceed to the highlighted route, then the route guidance will start.
For places that you visit fairly frequently, a Places shortcut is a great way to quickly set your destination. Let's set up a phone shortcut. You can preset 5 previously stored speed dial entries and make a call from one of the preset numbers or call history when the phone is paired and connected to the vehicle's Bluetooth hands-free link system. First, I'll select Shortcuts, and then the Phone tab. Next, I'll select Speed Dial, and then I'll select Edit. I'll select Add, and 5 shortcuts appear on the page. I'll choose the slot I want, and a list of speed dial numbers that have already been previously stored will appear. I'll choose the number I want to add as a shortcut, and it's all set. So, how about using the phone shortcut that I just set? I just select the number, and the dialing starts immediately. Setting up a climate control shortcut is super easy. First, I'll adjust the automatic climate control system to my liking. Once it's set, I touch Shortcuts and then I touch Climate. Touch Preset 1 and the settings are stored. So, how would I use a climate control shortcut? Well, first, I'll adjust the temperature a little bit on each side so we can see how the shortcut works. Now, I'll return to the audio screen since it's the screen that you'll probably be using the most. To use the shortcut, first, I'll touch Shortcuts. Notice that the Climate tab is already selected since that's the last shortcut screen that I had visited. So now I just touch Preset 1 and the climate control system automatically adjusts to those settings. Simple. Setting up audio shortcuts is pretty straightforward. You can store up to 6 radio stations or HDD audio albums, and even playlists. First, set the audio system to the radio station or HDD album or playlist that you want. Next, we'll touch Shortcuts and then touch the Audio tab. Select Edit and then select Add. Now I'll choose the slot I'd like to store the shortcut in, and I'm done. So here's how an audio shortcut works. I'll return to the usual audio screen so you can see the process. I'll tune to a different station so we can see how this all works. Okay, so to use the shortcut, just touch Shortcuts. And then we touch the shortcut that we want to hear. And the system plays it. It's easy. As you can see, I can turn a variety of audio sources into shortcuts. A favorite AM or FM station, XM channel, or even an HDD album. Shortcuts are really handy since they put the features you use most often right at your fingertips.